an educator at an international school, there's one thing that I really need, and that's So what's essential for an educator who's working at an international school abroad is community, because you are away from your home, your family, your friends, and so it can be a difficult situation at times. But I found that community is really helpful. So I want to talk about why it's so important to feel like you're a part of a community. Sometimes you might feel like you work and live in a silo, which can be difficult and feel really lonely. So for example, I'm a STEAM specialist. I work in a team, but there's not a lot of STEAM specialists within a school. And so it is important for me to kind of go out and meet other STEAM specialists. And one place that I think is essential is to go to education conferences and meet other educators from other schools, from other parts of the world, kind of collaborate and think through what learning could look like. And it's also great to have that emotional support, because teaching can be emotional. It can be cognitively, emotionally demanding. And so it's really nice to have a space like a conference where educators can come together and talk about their stories. And these stories are very relatable. Other people are going through the same thing. Sharing ideas, finding solutions to some of the problems that each of us face has been really cool. Being part of a community like this, I do feel like I'm being heard, I'm listened to, and I'm listening as well. It's something special. It really motivates me and pumps me up to go back to my school and try new things. Found some time to get some editing done for my podcast. And the last thing I wanted to talk about is friendship. Finding friendship through this community. An example of this is Ryan, my friend. We connected on Twitter, just talking and chatting and sharing resources. But I eventually got to go to a conference in Hong Kong and meet him in person. And we clicked. Obviously, our connection is education, and he has similar values that I do, but we also connected with other things as well. He's into sneakers, and we went sneaker shopping, so that was really fun. Yeah, it's pretty amazing to be part of a community where I can also build friendships as well. Actually, one more thing, you also get to network as well. Some of the connections that you create can lead to more opportunities, which is pretty cool too.
To know that they want to send their kids there, and that I think is a big part of it, like to kind of consider it in a very serious way.